And good Saturday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another look at your forecast here on this November 23rd. And we're going to start with a look at precipitation across the tri-state here. And you know, the pattern that we're in this month has been, we see some rain, we dry out for a day or two, more rain comes, we dry out for a day, and then more rain, and so forth and so on. And it really has added up. We're over 3.5 inches of rainfall here for the month, which is about an inch or so above average. And we're going to add to it because we got more rainfall on Monday, and then as we get toward Thanksgiving, unfortunately, we'll talk about that here in just a second. But you can see next 5 days across the region here, we're looking at probably a quarter to maybe as much as a half inch of rainfall, depending on your exact location. A lot of this is going to fall in that Monday night into Tuesday time frame. But when you look 6 to 10 days out, this will take us from about Thanksgiving into early December. Right now, we're looking dry. The equal chances here of precipitation being above or below normal. When you kind of put those two together, you get average. But if you have travel plans to the east over the next 6 to 10 days, there is a slightly higher confidence in above average precipitation. Now, kind of a transition day. We'll start out with plenty of clouds around. As we go through the afternoon, we should see some sunshine, especially along and south of the parkways. Unfortunately, I think in Owensboro, those clouds will stick around all day long. You can see that clearing here by this afternoon, some clearing along and south of the parkways, where our northern areas, that cloud cover sort of hangs on. Maybe in the overnight hours, we see some brief clearing before more clouds roll in here. But I think Sunday will be a much better day in terms of clouds and sunshine, which is certainly nice. We get some sunshine in here, push out some of those clouds, and things improve for the short term, which is nice. Lower 50s today. If we get some of that sunshine, especially to the south, in areas that see prolonged cloud cover, your temperatures will most likely remain stuck in the upper 40s. And then tonight, about average in terms of our temperature. If we do clear out, your community has a better chance of seeing some patchy fog for Sunday morning. So just keep that in mind. But notice here, we're drying out. Then we get more showers in here on Monday. We dry out, and then more showers second half of Wednesday and into Thanksgiving, which right now, Thanksgiving is looking to be a little bit on the soggy side before we cool down by Black Friday.